Hi everyone, this is Mike Bond with the Cash Flow Company. How would you like to have more deals to look at every day for flips and BRRRR without scouring the internet, without reaching out to realtors? I want to show you what I've learned over the last 23 years, what the successful investors do to make it easy and to grow their wealth. Honestly, they work smarter and not harder. They don't put in all the effort that most people think they need. They just look at more deals. To look at more deals, you have to have people sending you good deals. We're going to start with wholesalers. How do you find wholesalers without Googling, without getting your friends or other real estate investors to give you their secret, stash of wholesalers? I'm going to show you by using one website, InvestorLift, how you find the majority of the wholesalers in your area, how to get on their lists, how to get them to send you the good deals, all within just a few minutes. So let's go through this step by step so you know exactly what to do. So within the next 10 or 15 minutes, you could be emailing wholesalers and getting deals to your inbox. So we go to InvestorLift. It's free. I signed up for a free account. You can sign up for a free account. You come in. They're going to show you all the properties that wholesalers have put out on their site throughout the nation. So here you're going to see there's 22,000 properties found that are currently on InvestorLift. But we're going to go to the state that we want to work in. So let's just say it is Georgia. We're going to pick Georgia. And what it's going to come up is there's 192 properties right now on InvestorLift from wholesalers, in the state of Georgia. Now, how we use InvestorLift to find these wholesalers is we just click on a property. So let's just click on the first property and we're going to go down. We're going to find out who's selling this property. So this person under contact is the person who is wholesaling this property. So we're going to build a list. We're going to actually come in here and we're going to copy this person's email and maybe even their phone number, put it over in an Excel spreadsheet just so we have a full list of the people that we could reach out to. And we're going to go through each one of these properties because you're going to find that there's different wholesalers on each one. So here's a different wholesaler. We're going to add them now just by going to our list and we're going to paste them so we have the full list of wholesalers that we're going to reach out. They're going to start sending us their deals before they get to InvestorLift because they want to sell them as quickly as possible. If you show them that you're an active buyer, a good buyer, they're going to start sending you deals. Sometimes you have to work. Sometimes you have to let the process take, 30, 60 days to get to know them. But if you do this and you do this daily, you're going to keep coming in here, taking every one of these wholesalers, getting their emails, and then we're going to send them an email and we're just going to say, hey, we're buying properties in your area. We're looking for rental properties or we're looking for flips. We're going to be very detailed in what we're looking for. And we're not going to be unrealistic too, because the very first thing you want them to do is start sending you properties. Then you want to get to know them and maybe go out and look at some of their properties. This is the introduction to start looking at more and more properties. You're going to find the wholesalers here who are good, the ones that are finding the good deals. As you go through, you email them, build that relationship. It takes just minutes to get this list. It takes just a few more minutes to email them, but it will take 30, 60, 90 days to build that relationship where you're getting the really good deals. But I'm going to go through each one of these, and instead of Googling, trying to find out who is selling in my area, I'm just going to keep copying these emails, putting them here, and then I'm going to copy these emails, put them into my mail system, however I email, and just write them. And I'm going to write them a personal kind of note, not like a cookie cutter note. I'm just going to say, hey, Rachel, you're selling properties in this area. I'm looking for specifically what you're looking for. And then just keep in contact, reach out to them weekly and just say, hey, I'm still looking for properties in your area. So if you come across things like this, because wholesalers, what they will do is they'll have a list and they will send their properties that are the good ones to their A list because they know what they want, they know they're going to purchase them, and they know it's just going to be a quick transaction. That's what you want to build to, is where you're on these people's A list. But to get on their A list, you got to get on their list first. So build this list out, reach out to as many people as possible, and you may find as you go through this some good wholesalers and some bad wholesalers. So just get off the bad wholesalers list, and a bad wholesaler is someone who puts out properties that are probably overinflated on their value, underinflated on what it's going to cost to actually fix it up. but all wholesalers have an A list, and you want to work yourself up to that A list. And that's where it gets easy, because then you're going to have these wholesalers reach out to you as soon as they find a property, before they list it, before they email it, and you're going to get the cream of the crop. You're going to get whatever you want. That's how you build wealth quickly, is getting on their A list, getting the properties that you look for. So instead of looking at 30 or 40 a day, you're looking at 2 or 3 a day, because they're the best of the best. So this is an easy hack to get in, get on people's lists, build it quick. You're in investing. You have to look at many properties to find the really good deals. Part of it is, finding the properties. The other part is financing them. So you also have to have many options on the finance, and that's where we come in. If you have a question on financing flips, BRRRR, bridge loans, gap loans, whatever it may be, reach out to us at the Cash Flow Company, and we'd be glad to walk through any deal you have and see how we can make your deal even better.